Hi everyone, we are making easy siomai today. We only need 3 ingredients: tapioca starch, egg wonton wrappers, and a packet of fish paste. First, we just need to put the defrost fish paste into the food processor. It's best to use it when it's still slightly frozen in the middle, so it can keep the temperature cold, as it will create heat whilst you're blending it. Once you blend your mixture into this sticky paste form, you can then add in your tapioca starch. But if you don't have that, you don't necessarily have to add that, but it just won't have such a bite to it, but it will still taste delicious. Just keep blending it till smooth and sticky, then it's ready to be used. Now you can transfer it into another bowl. And for the wrapper, you can use a round cutter to cut it into circles. So now you can put 1 to 2 teaspoons of the fish paste in the middle and wrap it up. You can just kind of squish it into like a roundish shape. And continue. If you don't have a cutter, you can also just use it as it is, but it just doesn't look as neat, so I prefer using a round ones. Just keep wrapping the siomai. If you use about 2 teaspoons per piece, you can make about 20 to 25 pieces. Now you can just bring a pot of water to boil, steam them on high for about 7 to 8 minutes, then it's cooked. For smaller pieces, you only got 1 teaspoon filling in them. It only takes about 5 minutes to cook, and you can make about 30-35 pieces. Enjoy while they're warm with soy sauce, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my videos, and subscribe and like to see more videos. Thank you.